In today's video, we take a look at the Field Pouch V2 from Peak Design, a pouch that can be used as a little day bag or as a little organizer to store all your accessories. I'm Ed from Rushfaster and we do guides and walkthroughs bringing you better gear and better ways to carry. So if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and also hitting that little bell. Let's dive right in and check out the Field Pouch V2 from Peak Design. Peak Design's Field Pouch is a light and versatile little pouch that can be used in a number of different situations, whether it's for light urban commuting or maybe a light little hike in the trail, or perhaps even for camera carry. You can carry a light camera setup in this bag, and also can be used as a little organizer inside a backpack. The version 2 of the Field Pouch takes on a few little changes, some minor tweaks to the pocketing, and also a few new features as well. Okay, so starting off with the materials of the Field Pouch V2, here we have two different colorways. We've got charcoal and black. Both of the colorways feature a weatherproof 400 denier nylon canvas shell that is double polyurethane coated on both sides. The fabrics are 100% recycled and also Blue Sign approved. And in the V2, Peak Design is including the fact that it is 100% carbon neutral as well. In terms of accents, on the charcoal and navy colorway, we have nubuck leather accents, which are environmentally certified leathers. And then on the black colorway, we've got Hyperlon accents here, which is 100% vegan. Now, as we take a look at all the features, we'll be looking at the charcoal colorway. So in terms of branding, we have very minimal Peak Design logo just on that leather tab there. And then inside the bag, as we open it, we've also got some Peak Design branding here at the top. So for getting into the bag, we have the flap top closure, which utilizes Velcro. In the new version, Peak Design have slightly adjusted the Velcro receivers here. One great feature about the Field Pouch is that the Velcro opening actually accommodates for different varying volume capacities. So if you're carrying really light at 1.5 liters of volume capacity, you can secure it down all the way at the bottom here. Or if you're carrying a bigger capacity, you can allow it to close just at the top here at a 3 liter volume capacity. So depending what you're carrying, you can actually vary your storage capacity just with this Velcro flap top. At the back of the Field Pouch, it's reasonably similar. We've still got the pass-throughs for it to wrap around a belt, so you can wear the Field Pouch on your side, or if you're using a pro camera strap, you can also feed that through this little pass-through as well. But on the new version, we have these cord hook accessory loops that allow you to attach on the strap that comes with the Field Pouch. So this is Peak Design's cord hook accessory strap, but it actually has a little ladder lock here, so you can adjust the strap slack, so you can wear it either really tight on your body or really loose on your body. All you need to do is simply hook these on and you should hear a little pop. And this allows you to wear the Field Pouch as a little day bag around the shoulder or crossbody. Now, similar to the previous version, if you had a Peak Design camera strap, you could loop on the anchor links onto the back here. In the previous version, there were just little rivets that you had to feed the anchor links through, but here you can just feed it through these cord hook accessory loops. So once you have those secure, you can attach a camera strap. So here I just have a slightly old Peak Design Slide Pro Summit Series camera strap, and you can hook the anchor links onto your camera strap like so, and then carry the Field Pouch on a slightly more padded shoulder strap. Also in the V2, we have the capture clip attachment points on the sides of the bag. Before we just had it in the middle here, but they've actually relocated them to the sides so you can mount a camera or anything else on either side of the Field Pouch. So you grab your capture clip, slot it in through on one side, tighten it down, and now you can mount your camera onto the capture clip. Or if you're out in the field and your camera's already mounted onto a rig, you might want to attach a Peak Design lens clip on there, so you can quickly switch between different lenses. Either way, now you have the flexibility of mounting a capture clip on either side of the Field Pouch. So getting into the main compartment, I've got it fairly packed out now and packed out with camera carry. Okay, so I've actually folded the flap top over so that we can look inside a little bit better. Just getting some of the stuff inside the middle out of the way. I've got a little lume cube here. I've also got a Canon 85mm prime lens. I've got a Nomad Kevlar charging cable. And then I've got a portable power bank from Nightcore. Inside, hopefully you can see there are these 3 stretchy slip pockets that are good for accommodating small bits of gear. I found it really useful for storing my Moment lenses inside there. So in the middle, I've got a Moment anamorphic lens and also a Moment tele lens. On this side, I've actually been able to fit 2 Canon LPE6 batteries inside there. So these 3 stretch pockets are useful for just storing little bits of gear and separating from getting caught up in all the stuff in the middle. On the other end, hopefully you can see that there is a zippered compartment here, and this opens up another compartment that you can store gear inside, and also there are a few stretchy slip pockets here for smaller accessories. So I haven't got them all packed out, but inside I've just got a Nightcore Tiny 2 flashlight, and then I've also got some AA batteries. Now, if you're carrying camera gear and you're going for a full day shoot, you might want to store in some SD cards or compact flash memory inside there. And below that, we've got space for storing other gear. And you'll notice inside this compartment, it's got a soft lining. This is like a felt material just to keep everything scratch free and protected. So here I've got my truly wireless Master and Dynamic MW08s. I've got an Everyman Grafton Pen Mini, and also just my Orbit key. Now, I've stored sort of like a everyday carry light camera gear setup in here, but you could use the field pouch in a number of different situations. You could use it for typical everyday commuting, so less of this camera gear, more smaller bits and pieces like a face mask, sunglasses, or if you're using this as a travel companion, you might want to store your passport and other important documents and cash, things like that, inside this little pouch. Or if you're just using this as an accessory organizer inside a backpack, you might want to put some general tech gear if you're a digital nomad, or if you're in a co-working situation, you might want to store your computer charger, hard drives, cables, things like that. Or you could also use the field pouch as a little EDC emergency first aid kit as well. It's a super versatile bag, so you can load it out however you want. So here's the field pouch V2 worn on the body. For your reference, I'm 5'10". Well everyone, there you have it, the Peak Design Field Pouch V2. It's a versatile and lightweight little bag that is good for lightweight camera carry, good for travel, and also good for urban commuting. If you're interested in getting the field pouch, there is an affiliate link in the description below. Using that affiliate link really does help support the work of the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you want to support us further, you can hit the like button, hit the bell, subscribe to the channel, and also subscribe to the Rushfaster Carry Roundup newsletter. But we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about this new field pouch? Is there anything that you liked or anything that you didn't like about this new version? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this or more videos from Peak Design, then check out some of the links on the screen at the end of this video. But for now, this has been the Peak Design Field Pouch V2. Take care, and we'll see you next time.